Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Funtastic Art. Today I'll be drawing a seal, so let's get started. So the colors you will need is actually one color, and I'm using blue-gray, but it actually looks like a normal gray. And a pencil and an eraser and a Sharpie to trace it. And a piece of paper, of course. Alright, so let's get started. So first we'll start by doing the eyes. Do one right here. And do a line right here for the nose. We're gonna do that later. And then another eye. Like that. And we're gonna do the nose very quick. And a little cute smile, like that. And now we're gonna draw the eyes. Like this. Oh, and do the highlights on this one. Alright, and now the eyelashes. Like that. Like that. Now we're gonna do the body. It's kinda a hard shape, but I think you'll get it. So put a point right here, like that, and one right a little bit farther, like maybe right here. Like it's a diagonal. Alright. So what we're gonna do from this point to this point, we're gonna draw like a curve, type of curve. Alright, so we're gonna do something like this. Something like that. And now we're gonna draw its arm. Like that. And the other one. This is why we stopped right here, so there's room for the arm. Now we're gonna make a tail. Like that. And that's actually all of it, so yeah, let's color it. No, actually trace it. There. And now let's do its little face, cute face. And that's actually, we're almost actually done tracing because it's very easy. Just like the turtle one. The turtle one was easy, and this one's easy too. This one's actually easier than the turtle. And that's actually all we have to trace. And now, using your eraser, erase all the pencil lines you can see. There. And there, that's how it's gonna look like. And now, if you don't remember the colors, it's blue-gray. You can actually use a normal gray because it doesn't look like a type of bluish gray. This, well, it kind of looks like a dark gray, but just use the gray you have. Like maybe silver, just normal gray. Something like that. Oh, and if you don't have gray, maybe you can mix black with white, or white with black, because white is lightest color, and then I think you'll have gray, so yeah. and there. And that's how to draw a seal. And don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye everyone.